Hey, crypto family. Hope y'all doing good today. So it's good to see the market showing some green today. There's a couple reasons for that. One of them being, just a relief rally. We've had so many oversold indicators, and now there's some buying that eventually happens. Now, second reason is because of the Ethereum merge. Now, originally the Ethereum merge was pushed back, and now it's actually looking to possibly be coming in August. Now, this was from actually the permissionless event that happened in Palm Beach, Florida, and the last day was today. And basically, there were some speakers. One of the main ones being the core dev of Ethereum, and they were asking him some questions. And you can see here on Twitter, it says Ethereum core dev Preston Van Loon just said the ETH merge is ready. They are now only testing and expects the merge to happen in August. Packed Room Permissionless are excited about it. Great question. Trustless State also on panel. So basically, the guy here, Trustless State, was the one that asked and inquired about, hey, you think the merge will be ready by August? Now, there's actually an article here. I'm going to go over exactly what that means for us, how it can be done in August, and the effects afterwards for Ethereum's basically supply and how it will stop, the high, basically I don't want to say inflation rate, but basically the high cost of supply being made. So this article here is by Decrypt, and it says Ethereum merge come in August if everything goes to plan, core dev. Now, it says the quote, difficulty bomb will start slowing down the current Ethereum network. Ethereum devs are hoping to transition to proof of stake quickly, which would negate the need for an update to delay the bomb. So again, the Ethereum merge, for people who aren't familiar with it, basically Ethereum is proof of work, right? There's a lot of miners mining the network, and that's what's increasing the supply by a substantial amount. Now, the merge, if that happens, it'll switch to proof of stake, which will then reward stakers instead of the miners, okay? So that'll basically help a lot. One, make it more green, quote unquote, but also helping people, stake Ethereum, hold it longer, and also delay that, basically decrease that amount of supply that's being produced. It says, don't get your hopes up too much, but Ethereum's move to proof of stake could be in the cards for this summer. Ethereum core developer Preston Van Loon told a panel at the permissionless conference today there's momentum behind finalizing the move in the next 3 months. They said, as far as we know, if everything goes to plan in August, it just makes sense. If we don't have to move the difficulty bomb, let's do it as soon as we can. So that's the big thing here is the difficulty bomb. Again, that's going to slow down the current Ethereum network. So if they don't have to move that at all, don't have to worry about that, then they can just focus on this merge, and then the difficulty bomb is kind of null from there. It says Ethereum Foundation Justin Drake, also on the panel, noted there's a strong desire to make this happen before the difficulty bomb in August. Van Loom and Drake were referring to an event called the Merge. It's when the current Ethereum blockchain merges with the proof of stake beacon chain. That move will shift the network from mining to staking, again, in which Ethereum holders can deposit their ETH in exchange for rewards. So this is a big thing, and basically, again, core dev is right here, and basically talk to him and ask him that question. And that was just today, right? So there's still circulating, still not a lot of people know about this, but I just wanted to get this out to y'all as fast as I could. And it says August isn't just a random date. In early May, Ethereum core developers decided not to upgrade the network to delay the so-called difficulty bomb, which will soon start to degrade the network. It's an element encoded within the blockchain that intentionally slows down the network. The intention behind it was to both encourage developers to push forward with proof of stake and make it difficult for miners to stay behind on the proof of work chain after the switch. So again, kind of that twofold there, right? The difficulty bomb was supposed to be kind of a motivator to switch to this proof of stake. And it says the merge, which is currently in the testing phase, its completion would negate the need to defuse the difficulty bomb. So again, that's another reason why if they complete this, again, they won't have to worry about that difficulty bomb. And it says, while both proof of work and stake help keep the network secure and decentralized, proof of stake has several added benefits. Aside from using much less energy, proof of stake consensus should also make it easier to participate in running the network, enabling further decentralization and increasing security. So again, there's more things here than just, decreasing that supply of Ethereum, also increasing that security and decentralization. But it says the real reason many are waiting for the merge is because it's expected to cut the issuance of ETH by about 90%. Less ETH in circulation means, of course, less supply and higher demand because, again, ETH is inflationary, which should push the price of the coin up. Now, right here it says the most bullish of Ethereum bulls think the merge could take the asset's price back over its all-time high of $48.91 set in November 2021. So That would be big. Again, I know a lot of people are very bullish on Ethereum this year, and this would even add to that bullishness. It basically says proof of stake's been a long time coming, and there's actually some other big things for the merge and Ethereum 2.0. One of the biggest is sharding. So those who don't know what sharding is, it's a way to divide up the network into multiple chains, which means validators only need to store run data for the shard they're validating, not the entire network, which will speed things up drastically, reducing hardware requirements. So again, a lot of advantages, a lot of things coming for Ethereum. I believe this was definitely one of the reasons that we saw the little spike we had today. Again, as more people realize this, as more people kind of become aware of the merge, and as that August date gets closer, I can definitely see, another short-term mini bull market, and then seeing what comes from there. So it may not be bad to start DCAing a little bit, but again, always be cautious with this market. You never want to jump the gun too much, and definitely don't invest money that you can afford to lose, that you cannot afford to lose. More so, you definitely only want to invest a little bit, right? So definitely keep that in mind. DCA, dollar cost average, look at major support levels on the daily and weekly, and then you're able to take advantage of a lot of these low prices afterwards. So I'll be keeping an eye on this. I'll update you as I get the news. And then also, if you haven't, please like the video. I really appreciate it. And please subscribe if you haven't. Appreciate all my subscribers and my viewers. Thank you so much for watching. Comment if you have any questions. Till next time.